Hi, in front of me I have Garmin Fenix 6X and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. Let's start by opening the menu, and to do it just press and hold the app/menu button right here. Now, as you can see, the watch face is selected, so let's press the power button to enter. And here we can scroll up and down by pressing the down button and app/menu button, like this. Find the watch face we like, for example this one, and press the power button to select it. And here we can either select apply or scroll down and tap on, select the customize by pressing the power button. Now we can select the dial, for example, and here we can select one of the dials, then press power button to confirm. Now we can scroll down and select hands, press the power button, and here we can change the watch hands. Once you're done, tap the power button to confirm. Now we can scroll down to data, press the power button, and here we can customize the type of data right here on the tab. As you can see, it's changing. Then we can press the power button. Now we can change the data right here on the right side. And we can change all the types of data right here around the watch face. Once you're done, tap the power button to confirm. Scroll down and to accent color and press the power button, and here we can change the color of the accents and press the power button to select it. Now let's scroll even more down, and here we can select background color, and we can change the background color from black to white. And once you're done, you can scroll to done and confirm by pressing the power button. Of course, if you don't want to customize it, you just want to select one of pre-existing, you just select one, press the power button, select apply, and press the power button again. Okay, you can also add more watch faces. To do it, open the watch face menu again, scroll all the way down, and here you have this add new. Let's press the power button to confirm, and now we can select between two watch faces. Let's select this one, and basically now we can customize it. Basically we can create our own customized watch face. Like that, we can add seconds, we can change the type of data like before. Accent color, background color, and done. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave a like on the video.